Hello, Sarah Berry, CPA from Texarkana, Texas, here with your Tax Tip Tuesday. And joining me today is Jared Harrington, a CPA here at our firm. And today we are going to talk about what did my CPA just say? So have you ever met with your CPA and asked them a question about a situation? Or maybe they ask you a question and their explanation sounded like it was in a foreign language, and your response was, I don't have a clue what you just said. So what Jared and I are going to do today is common questions or statements from a CPA, what the client thinks the CPA said, and what the CPA really meant. Self-employed health deduction? Absolutely. That is an above the line deduction.
That's a what kind of deduction? What line are you talking about?
Basically, that means that we deducted it on your tax return. We actually deducted it before we arrived at your adjusted gross income. So another common question that a CPA may ask you is, what is your inventory turnover?
Inventory turnover? I have a used car lot. My inventory rolls. It doesn't turn over.
So what the term inventory turnover means is when you purchase a product for resale, on average, how long does it take you to sell that product? So another common question that you may hear from your CPA when you go in to get your taxes prepared is they may say, so do you want me to use Section 179 on the asset you purchased this year?
Section 179? Use it? I don't even know what that section is.
So typically when you purchase a piece of equipment, for example, you would depreciate that equipment over, let's say, 7 years instead of deducting it all in 1 year. So when a CPA asks you, do you want to use Section 179, there could be a possibility of deducting the entire purchase price of that equipment in the year that you purchased it. So that's what that means. So another common thing you may hear your CPA say during your tax appointment is, that is a non-deductible expense.
Non-deductible? It came out of my bank account. Why is it not deductible?
So simply put, what non-deductible means is we cannot take that expense on your tax return. For example, entertainment expenses are now a non-deductible expense, even though you may pay them out of your business bank account. So another common question that you may hear your CPA ask is, how is your bookkeeping going?
So I brought my books in today. I've been keeping them well, I guess. They've been sitting on the shelf for the past year, and I hadn't really looked at them.
So when a CPA asks you, how's your bookkeeping going, they're probably not referring to your encyclopedia sitting on your shelf at home. They are actually referring to, how are you doing your accounting for your business? Are you reconciling your bank accounts monthly? Are you paying only business expenses out of your bank account? Are you using a software to properly track your income and expenses? So thank you for watching our Tax Tip Tuesday. We hope you have enjoyed it, and hopefully next time you hear your CPA say something, it won't sound like it's in Greek. That's all for now.